Well, good morning. Welcome to the show today. We have a privilege here. We've got Ben Nottingham with James Hardie, and Ben is in the new construction division, and I think just recently has taken over, at least temporarily anyway, on the multifamily division. So Ben, thank you for joining us here. And
Yep, good to be here.
Awesome. So we get a lot of questions on fiber cement. Now, Hostetter Associates, we are what they call an elite preferred installer for James Hardie. There's 4 of us in the state of Indiana. And so fiber cement obviously is really starting to take off. In fact, it's really growing well nationwide. In fact, Remodeler magazine says that fiber cement siding is the #1 remodeling project that you can do for resale value. So we're privileged to be involved in that. And of course, there's different types of fiber cement, and there's different ways of getting that. So primed is one way, and then you can field paint it, or they have what they call the pre-painted, which is the Color Plus product, which comes pre-painted from the factory, and then with that you get a 15-year finish warranty on it. So of course the siding itself has the 30-year non-prorated warranty. Probably confusing you a little bit here, but just the Color Plus, the pre-painted, if you go that route, you get the full warranty from James Hardie. So Ben, what I'd like to do is ask you from a new construction standpoint. I've seen a lot of communities going up, a lot of it with the Color Plus, some of it without. What feedback are you getting?
Yeah, I mean, you're again on the remodeling repair side that we honestly see more on your side, where they're using more color when you're residing your home. Instead of having to have a painter come in, they're using our pre-finished product. To your point, they get that warranty. Is basically the reason people ask, hey, can I just get a painter out, or do I put the James Hardie pre-finished product up? The big advantage would be, of course, the warranty, but just think about it. Do you go buy your car and put it in the driveway and paint it? No, they paint it at the plant, the GM plant, or wherever you're getting your car. So similar philosophy here. You can get the product put on in our plant. It's going to be cured in the plant, as opposed to in the wonderful weather we get here in Indiana. Is it going to cure in consistent weather that we, what was it yesterday, 90, and it's 55 here today. So letting the paint air dry and all that, you have some challenges here in Indiana. Or you just let the professionals handle it, get it with the paint on in the plant. The installers will just put it on right there, and it's set and ready to go. So, and you mentioned the 15-year warranty. Part of that reason is we've got to cover states that get more sunlight. So 15 years in a Denver actually gets a lot of sunlight, San Diego. So our warranty's got to cover those states. But think about it. Do we get that much sunlight here in Indiana? So I'll be here to tell you, I've had people tell me their Color Plus, that their pre-finished Hardie has lasted longer than 15 years even. So it's a great product.
And that is a good point, and you teed me up into my next topic, because when we first started selling fiber cement siding, we actually started out as a painting company, and I have to say my motive was a little towards me, because I thought, if we start installing the fiber cement siding, we're going to get more paint jobs. And I realized, Ben, that I probably wasn't giving the homeowner the best perhaps choices, because as a painting company, we still do the textbook approach when it comes to the fiber cement. So it comes primed. We take a bonding primer, we tint that to whatever that finish color is going to be, and then we put that bonding primer on as a base coat. Then we come back with a real thick milled, good quality finish coat. And that is the key, because if we don't see 13, 14 years of field finish from what we've done, we're not happy. And I can tell you that a lot of installers that install it well, when they take the painting approach, they skip that process. So it's real important. We can pretty much tout that we're going to double your paint life if you choose us to not just install the fiber cement, but then paint it as well. So just a great product. And again, my suggestion is if you're going to get a quote for fiber cement, check with someone who is an elite preferred installer, because to earn that status, that means you have a history of doing it correctly, and you have to do it correctly to keep that status. So thank you very much. I appreciate you joining us today. Thank you, Ben.
Thank you.